Call it karma, call it sin, a mother's love, an awkward fling, a game of chess, a blade of grass, a circle's curve, a ball of string. Who built the wall that walls me in? Call it yang, call it yin, the rising tide, the falling wing, the tiger's bite, the hornet's sting. Call it the gauntlet, the scorpion's fling. Who built the wall that walls me in? As Mother Earth flaunts her floor-length gown, the one with the 3D floral print, call it her ultimate crowning achievement. Call it a frivolous, thoughtless whim. Call it the killer whale's dorsal fin, cautioning you to stay put where the water is see-through and warm and thin. Call it newspapers to purchase, iOS updates and lawns to strim. Call it autumn, lovingly sweeping the leaf-strewn floor of yet another catacomb built in a hurry. See him scowl, hear him stammer guiltily, glumly. Isn't she plum blossom wiltingly lovely? Call her the still warm corpse of spring. Who built the wall that walls me in? Call me Peter, call me Roger, call me Thumper, call me Bugs. What did I do to deserve to be placed in this sorry excuse for a sprawling hutch? Call me Paddington, even address me as Pooh, bequeath me the pet name Baloo. The question remains, what the heck did I do that my soul should be held captive, trapped in the prison of me like a grizzly bear in a derelict zoo, whispering countless inquisitive prayers into the starry celestial blue? Really, I mean, as if anyone knew, be they dead or alive, in heaven or extraterrestrial. Who built the wall that walls me in? Who wrote the chorus the dawn birds sing, that flawless hymn, that raucous din? Somebody put us in touch. Oracle, wise owl, priestess, rabbi, somebody tell me, what am I? What am I? A chess piece held in a cosmic hand, a housefly trapped in a gossamer cobweb, a colander of sand. Hold nothing back, I want to understand. Who built the wall that walls me in? Call it cowardice, call it skin. Call it precisely the length of an exhale. Squeeze it out, draw it in. Call it precisely the length of an inhale. A game of chess, a blade of grass, a circle's curve, a ball of string. Who built the wall that walls me in? Who wrote the chorus the dawn birds sing? Who dug the moat that closely borders this blasted, blonde-haired, blue-eyed, lonesome, so-called Toby fortress? And with regards to the oaken drawbridge, which ass broke the lever? Why won't it lower? I want to roam free where the grass is loads neater. Haven't you seen how the leaves on the willow tree's branches way over yonder can't but grow greener? Let me out, let me out. Or at the very least riddle me this. Who chiseled the clouds that shroud my devout lust for life in the thickest of doubtful fogs? By way of reply the wind chimes sigh and the bird bath fountain sobs.